Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Max Guard in Pokémon Go. Max Guard is a powerful defensive tool in trainer battles, letting your Pokémon reduce damage from an opponent's charged attack. You get a limited number of these shields per battle, typically 2, so using them wisely is key. Mastering its timing can significantly impact your battle outcomes, helping your Pokémon survive longer and secure more victories. Knowing when to deploy Max Guard is vital. You should primarily use it to shield against devastating charged attacks, especially those that are super effective against your active Pokémon. It's also smart to protect a Pokémon with very low health that you absolutely need to keep on the field. Try to anticipate your opponent's big moves and deploy your shield just before they hit, maximizing its defensive impact. For advanced play, observe your opponent's energy generation and their Pokémon's typical movesets. Sometimes, it's beneficial to use a weaker charged attack to bait out an opponent's shield, saving your own Max Guards for their more powerful attacks. Always consider your entire team's health and how many shields you both have left. Strategic Max Guard usage can absolutely swing a battle in your favor. Remember, you typically have only 2 Max Guards per battle, so make them count. It's important to note that while Max Guard reduces damage, it does not prevent status effects or stat debuffs from an opponent's attack. The best way to improve is to practice regularly in trainer battles, perhaps in the Great or Ultra League. Understanding type matchups will also help you predict when a big hit is coming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.